Okay. Very good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. Everyone had your lunch? Yes, ma'am. What did you have? Dal rice. Aloo rice. Biryani, guys, you went for biryani. They are providing biryani, no, you didn't have. Not for everyone. Okay, you guys have missed. It's not that much nice. Average only. Fine. Comparing your master food, I think that may be better on no problem. So, everyone had your lunch? Feeling sleepy? No. Some. Who is feeling sleepy? You tell me. I will give a programming question to solve over there. You will not sleep for the entire day itself. No. Now sleep is gone, right? Okay. What we can do is, I feel sleepy. We will take half an hour. You sleep your side. I will sleep my side. Okay. And you? One task. See, that kind of student she did. She is asking for task. Everyone is thinking we have to take one stick and we have to kill her like that. Yes, sir. Okay, half an hour you will sleep. 2:17 to 2:45 you will sleep. Okay? Then after that we will start with the class. See how you guys are. You should not tell ma'am we are in the scenario that we want a job. Start teaching. This enough ma'am. Still 4 o'clock also I will not go. Still extra 1 hour you teach us ma'am. You guide us ma'am. What? Till 7 o'clock also you teach ma'am I will be here. 1 hour I will travel ma'am. 8 o'clock I will go. You should tell like that. But see, mom's called. Give me your mom contact number. You will be here. You will continue till 7 o'clock also. In your school, you guys have that night classes, evening classes, in school level, your parents did scold. Near to home. Now you don't have any college nearby. No college. 1 hour you have to travel for one good college called St. John's. You guys are laughing. Good college. You guys are only telling your college is not good. Then why did you join? At the time you got good. Now you realize that it's not good. What is some event is going? Freshers party. MBA. Seniors. You are seniors. MBA. Freshers. Okay, I think MBA freshers they came from your college. Nobody is going for MBA at all. Your seniors will not go. Separately they came from your batch. Do you guys have a plan to study masters? B only we can't study. MBA and all you are asking us to study. Yes? No, you are not studying. If you are interested, you can. But I think that is all don't want. For BTech people who are not getting a job, MTech people what they will do? Directly they will again come for your college only for teaching. Then why should we? Yes, they will become a teacher, right? After studying MTech, they will not know what to do. Then finally they will think there are some many private colleges are there. They will go somewhere. They will start teaching them. Fine, we can come like that. I also thought like that only. Better after completing BTech, why don't we study for MTech? Then our aim is to become teacher. Why don't we go there? I thought, but I don't have the patience to study for another 2 years. It's not at all possible. Whatever we study, that is enough. Directly we'll go for a job. Then only will be fine. Having a plan. Somebody will be having a plan like government exams you want to prepare. Government exams you don't want to prepare. Some collectors will be there. No collector. No. Why you don't want to become collector at all? You don't have place from your college you want. College will be so much college Patience. Not patience. In 21 days you can write exam, right? Study. Tell study. Don't tell patience. You have to study hard. You have to work hard. Because you guys are not ready to work hard. Same scenario for other jobs also. You have to work hard. If you are ready to work hard, only then you can get into a field. It is not like if you are praying for the God, oh God, I want to do a job. So I will just come to your temple each and every week I will come. Then God will give. One famous temple is there, like Mantralaya temple, then you will go. God, you want to get job. What God will do? That fellow will stand like this and will say, hey idiot fellow, what you have done for the 4 years, what is the skill you have? Even I will not hire you in my company. Then how you are asking me for a job? It will split on you. Then leave the prayer of God. Start working. God, how He can help? My manager is very good because recording no. No, really, my manager is having a lot of patience, good patience. If we have done any wrong things wrong, we haven't done also. Silently he will say, haven't done. Why you haven't done? That's all. Apart from that, he will not ask anything. Silently he will go. That silence means a lot. What we have done, oh God, what happened? That's all. Silently he will go. Do not scold. No, will not scold. I have ever seen that person is scolding someone. Till now I haven't seen. 2 years it's been. Still now I haven't seen him scolding. I have done some mistakes, some tasks he will do, he will not do. You have done that or not? No, sir. Okay. That's how he will walk. Then I will think suddenly I will go and I will do the work, everything. So some managers are good. Some of us you can expect good manager. Some of us it will be like that. That depends on you. Be that manager at first you need job. Only then you can enter. Only then you can have manager itself. Focus for that. What about other words? Eating biryani. After eating biryani, they slept. Don't know. Why you don't know? Why you guys are sitting outside? Let ma'am start the class. Then we will go with her. But I am sitting like that. Let my students come. Then I will start the class. I am sitting. Internship process. What internship process? Then they were named, they will tell. Others also will say, hey, like that, they are saying. Real or fake? Real or fake? Whatever he told, is that real or fake? Hey, tell real ma'am is saying. Anything else? Be punctual. Fine, we'll just continue with the classes. We'll learn the concept first. There is nothing to discuss. I think you've been able to see my lips. Wait. Yeah, this is the last question which we have solved. That is to count the number of spaces in the given string we have found. Now we will solve the next question. See, these questions are already done. Whatever question is already done, I will not type and I will not waste the time. I will start with the question whatever I have in thought only. But as of now, we will just revise it. I will not type. Don't expect me to type. Listen over here itself. Just find the solution. I will take the next question over here. So this is my next question. Write a program to count the number of words in the given string. What you will do? For example, let me take my given input as how are you? How many words are there? 3 words are there. So my output has to be 3. What to do? Space is not equal. Then space is equal. Last question. We found number of spaces. Number of spaces was 2. If I print as count plus 1. If I print as count plus 1, directly I will be getting number of spaces, number of words, right? Yes or no? But it is not correct. I am just showing you. Wait a minute. This is the question I have printed. Here it is. Oh, I haven't printed also. Then it is fine. Then that question in slide also I will tell you as well. Now what I want to do over here is I just take the last question. Whatever we have solved, I just take this last question. Now what I am supposed to do is, if I print as count, I will be getting the number of spaces only. If I print count plus 1. Extra value I will be printing. That is the number of spaces. Fine. Suppose I don't have only one space between the two strings. Instead, I will give more spaces. Then, if I give like this, and if I print as count plus 1, what will be my answer? Error. What I will be getting? Count. What will be the answer I will be getting? Tell me the answer. How many spaces are there totally? 8 spaces. Count plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9 I will be getting. These 9 words do we have? 9 letters. Then what should we do? For that, I have to write one extra condition over here. First thing, I want to check whether the first character should be the space. Second character should not be the space. In that scenario only, I have to consider the space count. First character should be the space. Second character should not be the space. Only then I can increase my count. Same condition I just mentioned over there. I'll make use of a variable called as I. Next character, how will I get in the sense? Character at I plus 1. I plus 1 means next character I will get. I want to check first character should be the space. Second character should not be the space. Yes, is the condition true? No, both are space. Both are space means don't increase the count. Leave it as like that. Same thing I just mentioned. I and I plus 1. First one should be the space. I plus 1 should not be the space. Is that condition true? Is the condition true? No, it is not true. They don't want to increase the count. Go to the next one. Condition. First one should be the space. Second one should not be the space. Is the condition true? No. Condition is false. Leave it. We'll go to the next one. First one should be the space. Second one should not be the space. Is the condition true? Condition is true. If the condition is true, now only you have to increase the count. Same condition I will just write over here. First one should be the space. Second one should not be the space. I just mention as I plus 1. Small mistake in this, right? I plus 1 you can mention. Then same thing I just mentioned over here. Both the conditions should be true or any one of the conditions should be true. Both the conditions should be true. Both the condition means make use of AND operator. Then directly we will be getting as count plus 1. So directly we will be getting as count. Better I will just execute and show you this code because I don't think that you guys remember everything. First we will execute. Count words only I will do. I want to pass the string as yes, I will pass it. I will also create one variable called as result. I will call the method and will store in this result over here. I will create the method as count words. This is my method. Inside this method, I want to pass the string as yes. Then I mention the return type as integer only. I will also mention that this is static. Here we will start writing our code. I am making use of a variable called as count. Count equal to 0. First thing what I have done is s dot character at the place of I. If it is equal to space, if it is equal to space in the sense directly I am incrementing my count. Oh sorry, this should not be for loop. I want to give it inside if condition. I will place it inside if condition. So inside this if condition I will write this. Yes. Now here I write a condition I starts from 0th index. Each and every time I has to increase and it has to travel until s dot length minus 1. I plus this I'll give. If it is true, count will be keep on increasing, then finally I return the count. If I return like this, I will be getting the number of spaces. Where did you go, sir? Principal called for meeting. Principals are calling students and they are having meeting. But in my college I haven't met my principal only. Only twice I met her. Some function. Fine, I am returning the count words. Now what I will do over here is, I will just print one word. Hi, how are you? What will be my answer, you think? 4 answer I will get.
5. 4.
I am not getting answer only, wait a minute. I want to print it right. I will not say 4, 5. Think and tell me, what will be my answer? 3 only I will get. Why I am getting 3 guys? So where did you girls go? Since the meeting. Wait. What will be my answer? How did I get this 3? Boys. What? Come to discuss. Because I am checking whether it is equal to space or not. Only the spaces I am counting 1, 2, 3 I am spacing. I will return count plus 1. Yes, count plus 1 I will return 4. Getting correct, right? 4 words I have in my string. 4 words I got. Now I will give only 2 words. Hello world. 2 words I am getting, right? Then what is the change I want to do, guys? How or 3 words I am getting. What is the problem? Problem now I will create. How many words are there? 3 words is there. What will I get 3? What I got? 8 I got. What happened? Want to discuss? Go outside, discuss and later you can go. No problem, right? Fine. 8 is getting, then means this is not the correct way. Then what should I do? I have to check with two conditions. First character should be the space. Second character should not be the space. Not be the space in the sense, what should you do? Not equal to space. Yes. Both the conditions should be true in the sense make use of and operator. Count I have to written or count plus 1? Count. Now will I get correct answer? Oh, here. Okay. Now will I get correct answer? Yes, sir. When you are traveling to the last index position called as 16. 16th index position, you will be I. Where is I plus 1? I is pointing to 13th index, leave it. Suppose my I is pointing to the last index position. Where is I plus 1? Then do I need to travel till 16th index or 15th index if I want to stop? 15th index if I want to stop. Then why don't you tell me? Then here I have to mention, oh already I have mentioned less than length minus 1. Then now will it execute? I'll give the input. I'll give space. 3 space I'll give. Inside also will give some space. What will be my answer? Think and tell me, will I get expect answer or not? This is my logic. Will I get 3? No. Why did I get 0?
Count plus 1.
What happened?
Return count plus 1.
Count plus 1?
Return count plus 1.
Oh, count plus 1 I want to return. Why forward skip? Getting right? Previously I think I haven't compiled. I'm getting. This is correct. Fine. But I will give one more input. Will I get 3? Space I want to give. Question is mistake you are saying. Question can't be mistake. Input can be anything. What should I do? What should I do? Getting? What is the difference you understand from the first test case and this test case? Whenever first character is space, you are returning count. Whenever first character is not a space, you are returning what here? First character is space. Space means you have to return count only. If space is not there means you have to return count plus 1. Yes? Understood this? Same logic I have to apply over here also, right? Let me just take first character if it is space in the sense what I'll do. I'll just remove that. I'll come over here. That I should not travel. I have already mentioned, no problem. So I mention before H, I'll just give a gap as well. Now I check first character if it is space in the sense I want to mention as count itself. If it is not equal to space only, I have to return count. I'll just mention the condition. So I want to check S dot character type whether it is equal to space. If it is equal to space in the sense I want to return count. Okay, I'll return count. Count I will return. Suppose if it is not equal to space in the sense count plus 1 I want to return. Yes. Why did I make use of that question? What is that guys? Ternary operator. You do remember ternary operator? Same thing you just mentioned over there. When you are returning, I want to check with one condition. What is the condition I'm checking? Character type. Character type. I or 0. Why not 0? Why I? Sorry, why not? Why I 0? Why not I? If you come outside of this part, JVM will not know what is it. So you have to check with the only one first index only you are checking. You are not checking with every index. First index only you are checking, right? Then why you are checking like this? I'll check if it is equal to space in the sense. You have to return count. Otherwise, you have to return. Oh, sorry. This is the condition. If it is true in the sense count you want to return. Otherwise, count plus 1 you want to return. Then, now shall we execute it? You must know each and every line how important it is. Getting? Same. Fine. Shall we move to the next question? Because I already would have written in your note. Right now, bro, this already we have solved. Tell me what should I do? How will you find the number of ovals in the given string? You have to fetch the character s dot character at time. You have to check whether the character is equal to a or it is equal to a or e, I or o, u. You have to check with all the characters. Only lowercase you check. Uppercase also you have to check. If it is equal to overcase in the sense, you have to increase your count value. I'm counting, right? Ovals means I'm counting. Same. How many ovals are there? 2 ovals are given in my program or in my input. So 2 I'll just mention. Same thing. I just fast forward because last time itself we have solved. I will also take the ovals. A, I, O. I will take this H and I want to check whether it is equal to A, E, I, O, U. I want to check. If it is equal, I have to increase my count. If it is not equal, ignore it. I'll take the next character as well. E, I will take character. See, directly also you can check S dot character at equal to A or equal to B, or you can also store it inside one more variable. Then you can check. That will be easy for you because you feel difficult to type entire line each and every time. It will be difficult. So you can store it inside a variable, character variable. Then you can compare it. So again, I'll check whether it is oval or not. Yes, it is oval. Oval means count has to get increased. Count will become as 1. So I'll just mention, I'm checking whether this character is equal to A, E, I, O, U. Same condition I'll just mention. I'll be checking E, I'll be checking I, I'll be checking O, I'll be checking U. So what is the operator I should place in between? AND operator or OR operator? OR operator, because any one of the character it has to match. Make use of OR operator. Do I need to place it inside if condition? Because I'm checking with the condition whether it is oval or not. Place it inside if condition. If the condition is true, what should I do? Count plus plus. Mention count plus plus. That's all. The entire thing place it inside a for loop. Same thing. Okay, L they are checking. If a condition is false. The next L they will be checking condition is false. Next O they will be checking. O it is true. True in the sense count has to increase. Because already I told that is going fast. Don't get worried. Condition is true in the sense count should get increased. Now my count will be becoming as 2. Done. I will be placing inside a for loop. I mentioned I should start from 0th index and it has to travel until the last index. I mentioned I starting from 0th index. Each and every time it has to increase as well. It has to travel until the last index. That's all. Do you remember this program? Yes. Remember, right? Then shall we move to the next one? Yes. But one more condition we want to include. Same condition, but you will be checking with uppercase. That you can able to include it, right? Yes. Now we will go to the next one. Yeah, we have mentioned. 1 minute, I'll change the next one. Before we solve this question, one question whether you guys know or not, I forgot whether you guys know or not. It's Java object oriented programming language, right? Is Java 100% object oriented? No. Why? No, you are saying. Then tell me the reason. Reason for that. You don't remember. Then you tell the interviewer. Reason for that. Tomorrow you prepare come. Interview will not give the chance, right? Tomorrow you will not attend. You test me. What is the problem of interview asking the question sudden? I'll be in some class, they will not tell you. See? She is coming to tell. Java is not 100% object oriented. Java is not 100% object oriented. One more question they will ask. Is it possible to make Java 100% object oriented? Yes, it is possible. How it is possible? By making use of wrapper class. If it is int primitive data type, it will be having one respective integer wrapper class. You have to convert it into the wrapper class. That is only something called as auto boxing. Auto boxing, unboxing. Try it and come once. This is what we have to do. We can able to make Java 100% object oriented. We have to make the primitive data types into the rest. We have to convert it into the object by making use of respective wrapper classes. Wrapper classes keyword that you should mention. Auto boxing, that is the process of converting, that you should understand. It is possible to make Java 100% object oriented also. You should understand. That is why I asked you questions, because these are the questions that directly they will be asking. You will tell Java future is object oriented. Suddenly this question they will ask. That's all. You would have prepared and would have become a master in Moore's concept. The first question will go. That should not happen. Tell me, what should I count the number of consonants? Oh, not equal to over its consonant. I will give H-E-double-L-O. How many consonants?
3.
H-E-double-L-O. 3 consonants. I will give H-E-double-L-O. 1, 2, 3. How many consonants?
6.
6. That means it is considering the numeric value also as a consonant only. What you are telling? If the character is not a vowel in the sense, directly you are telling it is a consonant, but that is wrong. We have 3 different types of characters. Yes. So this is my input. Here I will be getting same answer I will be getting. Suppose if I give 1, 2, 3, it will be considered as consonants only. So you just ignore this. We learn 3 different types of character. There is something called as alphabetic character. Alphabetic character, uppercase alphabet also there, lowercase alphabet also there. Then we have something called as numeric character. I'll just mention numeric characters. Numeric means what is 0 to 9? Don't tell 0 to lakhs and lakh infinity, don't tell 0 to 9 only. Fine. We also have something called as special characters. These are many special characters are there, we will just mention. In this alphabetic characters, we have 2 different types of alphabetic character. One is something called as lowercase and one is something called as uppercase. Lowercase means lowercase A to Z. Uppercase means uppercase A to Z, we can mention. Lowercase also we have 2 different types of character. There is something called as vowels. Vowels, lowercase vowels I just mentioned. We also have one more type called as consonants. Lowercase consonants we have. Then uppercase also same. We have uppercase vowels also. We have uppercase consonants also. Then means what you have to do in the sense, whenever you are getting a character, first you want to find whether it is an alphabetic character or not. After finding alphabetic character, then only you have to find whether it is a vowel or consonant. Directly you can go over there. If it is not an alphabet, directly it can be come under the category of numeric or special character, you will ignore that. Then same thing you will just do over there. I just take my given input. So now what I want to do is, I want to find vowel count also, I want to find consonant count also. I will take 2 variables. One vowel count variable I will take. There is something called as consonant count also I will take. Both are 0. I will take the first character. Make use of one variable called as I. H is vowel or consonant?
Consonant.
Consonant means consonant count should increase. I will just mention. Okay, consonant count. Next character I will take. I want to check whether it is vowel or consonant. It is vowel. Vowel means vowel count should increase. Then next I will take L. L is consonant. Consonant means consonant count has to increase. I will take the next character also. Consonant count has to increase. I will take the next character also O. That is consonant. That is vowel. Vowel means vowel count has to increase. Then this is the place I am taking the character. After taking the character, I want to find whether it is an alphabetic character or not. I want to find. I am traveling from 0 to last index, so I will place it inside a formula. 0 each and every time it has to increase and that. First thing, I will take this character and I want to check whether it is an alphabetic character or not. I will check. Yes. Directly if you type like this, will you get alphabetic character? No. Alphabetic character 2 types are there. Lowercase and uppercase is there. So I want to write whether it is lowercase or uppercase. I want to find. It can be either lowercase or it can be lowercase. Don't make use of operator. And means the same character can be uppercase also, lowercase also. That it is not possible. Don't change the English. Then, so if the condition in the sense I have to come inside. Again I want to check with one more condition. What is the condition I want to check? I can check whether it is consonant or I can check whether it is vowel, which is easy. Vowel only we can check 5 characters. Like otherwise how many characters you have to check? You have to check with other 20 characters you have to check over it. So I will check whether it is vowel or not. If it is vowel count has to increase. Otherwise I come to the else part. I can increase the C plus consonant count I can do. Now what is the condition I want to do? Directly I can't write uppercase lowercase. Condition I want to write. How will you find whether the given character is an uppercase or lowercase?
Character should be read the
Range of yes. We have something called as ASCII range. ASCII by range for uppercase
65 to 90.
65 to
90.
90. 90 or 91?
90.
91. Lowercase
97 to
48.
100. 97 to 100.
97 to 120. Okay. Numeric
48 to 57.
48 to 57. Same thing we just mentioned. Lowercase I mentioned. You cannot directly mention like this. Directly A to Z also you can mention or integer value also you can mention. But don't mention character without quotes. If you are directly mentioning A means it will not consider. You have to tell character, place it inside single quote. Don't do one more extra thing. That is, you will be taking an integer value, placing inside a quotes. Don't do that. Integer means separately. Character means only it should be placed in the single quotes. Directly you can mention lowercase A to Z. Both are fine. Integer value also you can mention. Character range also you can mention. I mentioned it should be between this range. Over since already we have this condition, I will replace with this condition. Then if I execute this code, I will be getting vowels count and consonant count, right? Yes. Suppose special character, if I give the input, what will be my answer? If I give special character in the sense, what will be my answer? Special character we are not counting. Yes, special character we are not counting. This code will work for vowels count and consonant count only. That is enough. Special character we are not counting. Directly there are remaining 2 types of character which we are not checking. Next question we will check. This you understood? Shall we move the next one? Yes. Already we saw, but you guys are acting like that you are seeing for the first time. Like that. Great. Write a program to count the vowels also, consonants also, numeric also, special characters also. First, if I take the character, what are the thing I want to check? Whether the character is an alphabetic or not, I want to check. If it is not alphabetic,
Numeric.
it can be numeric or not, I can check. Will you check whether it is special character or not? Tell me the condition for special character. 65,000 characters are there. Tell me the character how much it is. We can't write the condition for special characters. We can write the condition for alphabetic. We can write the condition for numeric. Apart from that, whatever character is coming, automatically we can tell it as special characters. Directly I write the logic for that. Anyway, same question. Question you just ignore. I'll mention that. First, I'll just take 3-4 variables. One is for vowel count, one is for consonant count. Let it be 0. One is for numeric count, one is for special count. Now I will take the character S dot character at I. I'll just take one character over there. That is a consonant means consonant count has to increase. If you take E, that is vowel. Vowel means vowel count has to increase. Next character I will tell. L is consonant. Consonant means consonant count has to increase. Next L is also consonant. Consonant means consonant count has to increase. Next character vowel. Vowel means vowel count has to increase. I'll change it. Next one special character. Special character count has to increase. 3, 2, and numeric count should increase. 1, 2, 3, increase. Same thing. We are going to establish a program. Logic you understood. This is the logic you have to think in your mind. Thinking is done through execution we have to do. Same program I will take previously whatever we have solved. I want to travel from 0 to the last index. I just write the logic, previous logic we have. Now, if the condition is false, if condition is checking whether it is an alphabetic or not. Which if now we are saying? 2 if condition we have given. See the first if condition. Inside the first if condition I am checking whether it is alphabetic or not. Alphabetic means then inside I am going inside story and you leave it, come outside. Suppose if it is not alphabet, there can be one more possibility that it can be numeric or special character. I know the condition for numeric. Write the condition for numeric. The character should be of numeric. If it is numeric in the sense, numeric count has to increase. Otherwise, directly I can come to the else part. Otherwise, special character count has to increase. Numeric, what is the condition I want to give? should be greater than 0 to 9. So 0 in the sense I will place it inside quotes. Otherwise, remove this. Directly tell 48. 48 should not be placed inside quotes. That is wrong. Directly 48 to 57 also you can both are fine. This is the condition I will. Understood this? Don't see like no. Already we have solved. And yes, sometimes not look at my face. Look at them. Just 2 minutes you will be seeing there. You will be getting some idea. Think. Photographer ma'am. Photographer sir. Cameraman. You are good at taking photos. Okay. For anything and since I will call you for taking quiz. What? I should definitely call you. Marriage. Marriage photos are later. Normal you will do. What? When you? Plan.
Your marriage.
Okay, I want to invite you guys. Once you get job, that time only I will be wearing. Don't get it. See that all focus on your career, grow on your career. That is important. I am the person. I am only not thinking about that. Why you guys are thinking? I don't know. I am not that much changed at all. Say lot of years are there. We will see. Okay. Now we will come to the concept. Yeah, this is also the distance over it. I hope this question also we have solved in the class. Remember, remove all the special character from the string. I'll give some time. Think about this question. I'll give one input like this. Yes. Remove the special character. My output should be like this. What should we do? Think the plan. What we have to do? What's the logic? Remove. How will you remove? My question is that possible to modify the string? Remove what you want to remove. Girls, find the logic. Please tell me. I didn't give the time to discuss. I'm asking a question. So, replace the special character with space. One input method. Replace. Then concat. Why these many things? Not equals to. How will you find whether it is a special character or not? What is the condition you will give? 3 conditions you want to give. 3 conditions also it should not satisfy. It should not be the it should not be the alphabetic character also. It should not be the numeric character also. Then directly you can tell it is a special character. Yes. What can we do over there? We don't want to find the special character and we don't want to remove the special character. Suppose if I get numeric in the sense, what will do? Numeric means it should get printed. Only special characters you have to remove. That means I want to travel inside the string. I want to check whether it is an uppercase or lowercase or numeric or what I want to check. Yes, only these 3 conditions I want to check. If the three condition is true, I have to take the character and I have to concatenate it inside a new string. Special character is ignore it. If it is not a special character, take and concatenate it with a new string. Guys, I'll just explain it. So I'll take this, I'll mention as S is the given string, I'll just mention. I'll make use of a variable called as I. First thing what I want to do is, I want to take this H and I want to check whether it is a special character or not. I want to check whether H is a special character. No. No means directly take this H. Directly you can concatenate over here. S dot character you will be getting. Directly concatenate it. Then final result will get stored inside E itself. Next character I plus plus. E is special character? No. No means directly take the T character and concatenate it with the string. Final result will get stored inside the T variable string itself. I will take the next character. It is a special character. Special character means ignore it. Don't want to do anything special here. Next character you can take. O will take. It is not a special character. You can concatenate with the result. I'll just concatenate. I'll store it in the final result. This is my answer. You know the logic also. You know what you are printing also. But the problem is in code what you have to type. In code what is the condition you want to give only you don't know. First I will take this first character. I will place it inside the for loop because I am traveling from 0 to the last place, right? I will place it. Each and every bit is incrementing. I mention as I less than S dot 1. Now I will take this character and I want to place it inside a diff condition. Inside diff condition, what should I check? Whether it is lowercase or uppercase or it is a numeric. All these three conditions I want to check. If it satisfies any one of the condition, I want to concatenate. If it satisfies any one of the condition is true, I have to concatenate. Otherwise, it will be special character. You don't want to concatenate. Leave it. First time, I just mentioned I concatenate as P equal to T plus T. Lowercase, what is the condition I want to give? Lowercase H is it. Uppercase H is it. Here, 0 to 9. Same thing I'll replace. Uppercase also I'll replace. Numeric one is right here. Three conditions if it satisfies, you have to concatenate. Otherwise, you should not concatenate. Directly we can print. Then, do I need to execute this? Yes. Execute it, I will not execute. You have to tell them where it is. String I have taken. This question I didn't teach for the last time. I think I would have thought. No. Moments? No. I don't know. I forgot. That much memory power I don't have. You guys just now completed semester, so memory power will be more. I hope. Student memory, you have understood everything in your SEM exams. Don't lie. I don't know. Remove the special characters on method I have created, done, super. What is the condition I want to give inside? I want to create one new string. Create one new string, notice because a string is an immutable, we want able to modify it. I make use of one for loop so that I can travel inside this string. I equal to 0, I should be less than S dot 10. Each and every time it has to increment I plus plus I mention. Now I will take the character. First character how I will take S dot character at I. After taking the first character, I will store it inside one variable called as CH. Storing is done. Now I want to check whether it is uppercase or it is lowercase or it is numeric. I want to check. Three different conditions I want to write. Yes. If the condition is true, only then I want to take this character. Yes. What are the three conditions I want to write? First, I have to write a condition for uppercase. CH should be greater than or equal to uppercase here. Yes. This is one condition I place inside a bracket. Next condition. Yeah, two conditions I have given. So I should also give one more condition, right? One more condition I just mentioned over here. CH should be greater than or equal to. Three condition is true, only then I have to convert. I can return also, I can print also. I made my method as 10. I'll print it as 3. I'm getting the numeric number, everything. Only these two special characters got removed. Yes. Yes. We have executed them. Yes. Now this one you guys have to do. Write a program to convert the s into a lowercase. This is my given input. You should not make use of any inbuilt method. There is one inbuilt method known as 2 lowercase, 2 uppercase. That's why you should not use. Without making use of inbuilt method, you have to solve. Uppercase means lowercase you have to convert. This will be my output. Start solving. Open your mode. Start solving. 3 minutes of time you have. Only by writing you can improve your logical thinking. That we just see. More than your hand, your mouth or your blocking. So you call it bell, That is really a bell or some
Siren.
It's bell only.
Siren.
Oh yes, autonomous college. We call it bell sound is nice. Good.
HOD are devils.
HOD's favorite is Ronaldo.
Devils.
Okay.
Devils.
And they form.
No problem. No problem. That's the reality.
The timer goes too hard also you'll be keep. What you guys want the logic? What should I do? How we are converting? Excellent. Listen carefully. Hello. Mira, why some girls are missing? Where did they go? Oh, this is the actual student. Some students are missing. Where did they go? No idea about them.
MBA.
What you know?
Went for lunch.
Went for lunch. Still they are having what beautiful lunch they have provided. I don't think. What? Okay, they came for lunch period only. To eat the food from home, they came here. Then after having lunch, they went. Great students. Fine. So, is that modify the first string which is given? It is an immutable string. We can't able to modify. So I will create one more new string called Now, how to take that 9, okay, how to take the 65 and how to convert it into lowercase? From 65, how will I get 97? 65, 97, how will I get 97 from 65? Plus 32 or minus 32? Plus 32, right? Distance you are taking. If you have taken 97 and 65, if you have subtracted, you will be getting 32 only. That means, if I want to convert from uppercase to lowercase in the sense, plus 32. Suppose, lowercase is given as input. I want to convert it into uppercase, then minus 32 I want to change. Minus 32 I will do. Same, right? Now I will take the first character called as h. H I want to convert it into the lowercase. I will convert it. After converting, it will become as lowercase h. H plus 32 means lowercase. After converting it to lowercase, then I want to store it inside a variable called as e. Then next character e I will take. E also I want to convert it into the lowercase. Lowercase means plus 32. E plus 32 lowercase converted done. Next also I will take. I will store it inside e variable. I will take l. L also I want to convert it into lowercase. L plus 32 I will give. It will convert it into lowercase. Yes, small l it will become. Again I will store it inside this variable. Then again I will take the next character also. L I will take. Again I want to convert it into lowercase. L plus 32 I will give. It will convert it into the lowercase. Then I will concatenate it with the string. Store it inside this variable. Then I want to take. Boys, one of you have to come here. You have to write the logic. Okay, already it is done. Who is Dinesh? Dinesh, tell any one of your friend name. He is silent. Those two fellows are only telling your name. Vinay. Dinesh, come Dinesh, we will solve one question. Vinay, right? Vinay. One more? Pavan. Vinay and Pavan, if you come and solve one question, it would be great. No, now we will be silent now. Shy. I just asked you to solve. I didn't ask you to dance it. That and all will not feel shy, right? Prepare yourself, prepare steps. Why guys your college power is not there? When it will come? After 4 o'clock it will come. Then after 4 o'clock you will continue with the class. No problem. Why did it is? Yeah, do it like this. If I call anyone also, I will not get power, right? No, they will not arrange. It's not at all possible. Whom should I call? Tell. Whether your people will come with electricity. This is electricity, ma'am. Use it. Electronic students, come and check. Come and check. Yes, triple students will do it, right? Then which one you know? Electronics also you don't know. Software also you don't know. Then what you know? Electrical you know. Electronics you know. What is the difference between electrical and electronics? Transport. Spelling is the chain. Oh God, I got many changes in me. Now I understood. Electrical, electronics, spelling on the chain. Who told that? External. Please see it over. Don't tell the same thing to the interviewer. Candidates go to asking an interview. Just say tell them. They will ask you which college you are. Tell your principal name and give your name. Don't tell our name. Because we didn't teach electronics at all. See, in your college they can also provide hardware course also. But they don't provide. Why you tell me? They don't have money. You are paying, right? Where did it go? Say it. I can tell you guys. Everything I tell you. Don't see. Hey, Lazarus. We should not talk much with the students. Lazarus. That is separate. But the problem is hardware in the sense, hardware components also they will be giving. You will fire many chips, I know. You have the capability to fire many chips. That means think for each and everyone they want to give the components they want to give. They have to prepare group by group. If they do also it will not be efficient. One person want to do and this is each and everything cost also will be more. But if they teach also it is, I think it is not much useful as well. That is why they will not conduct more workshops or they will not conduct more on hardware. That is the reason. Because of you guys, they don't believe that you may fire the chips as well. So guys have fired the chips in breadboard everything in your college days. No. Because you haven't touched the rabbits or anything. You know breadboard? Not breadboard. Breadboard, what activity, what you have to do in that? Connection circuit. There is one subject called as electronic circuit 1, electronic circuit 2. Yes? Dinesh, you will explain. I hate that subject. Electronics 1, I don't know. In the jalebi itself, my star will be writing jalebi. We'll be writing some expression. I will also not understand. Anyways, first let me current game. Yes, on. But why did I learn the electronics? I also don't know. It was waste. Not waste. I didn't learn proper. Don't tell subject itself waste. Then why you have taken easy? You are also waste. Then everyone is waste. Then why do they keep this kind of course? Easy. Don't course you will give. There will be some foolish people, they will be coming and taking this course. No guys, value is there. But have to work hard on that. You have to do many projects on that. Only then you can get. Opportunities are less, companies are less. That is what. Apart from that, it doesn't mean there is no company. It is there. So don't tell anyone, core company it is not there. Companies is there. Less opportunities. Comparing software, less opportunities. That's all. Fine. I will also take the last character. O I will take. I want to convert it into the lowercase 32. I will convert it. I will store it. Anyways, I will just whether they have given a for loop or not. And place it. Yes, character I will take. I want to place it inside a for loop. I will just place it from 0th index to last index position. I am traveling. I will mention I should start from 0th index. Each and every time it has to increment. So I should mention it should travel until S dot length. I just mention over here. Then now what I want to do is you know who is he? Old principal, huh? You are founder, huh?
Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan.
Dinesh, who is he, Dinesh? Don't check Google at all. Directly tell me who is he. You don't know. Radhakrishnan.
Sardar Vallabhbhai.
You know who is he?
Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan.
Radhakrishnan only, right? Then you are telling Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Jawaharlal Nehru. See sir, see your students. How they are. They roll your name only. We don't want to hear, so only he did. He is a great teacher. Actually, what happens in the sense, in his birthday, his students used to give chocolate for others. He is a favorite teacher for many ones. So his students started giving chocolates for others. My favorite staff. His staff's birthday I am celebrating, he has started giving chocolates. So what he has done is, because of that, they have considered his birthday as a teacher's day itself. That much good staff he was, with stories there about the staff. I don't want. Fine, we'll come over here. Jawaharlal Nehru, great. Now I will convert it. He has just studied it. Now we will execute and check it. Tell me what should I do? I will convert lowercase. Convert lowercase. I just call this method boys. 3 of you have to come and sit here. Who are the 3? I'll tell you. That's all.
Plus 32.
Plus 32 because I am converting into lowercase. Plus 32. Then finally I will print it. Written type void only I mentioned. Then we'll execute. If I enter, will I get expected output? I'm going to convert it to lowercase, right? Same output I will be getting. Then my input should be uppercase, right? Enter. If I execute, will I get lowercase? No, why? I will get or will not get? I will get. How many of you will I get answer? Lowercase you will get converted, ma'am. Raise your hand. See, convert lowercase. Lowercase. How many of you will I not get correct answer? Then means you don't know. Bracket. Oh, boy, sorry. That's all. Now I will get correct answer. Again, I will execute. If I execute, what will be my answer? Error or correct answer or wrong answer? How many of you will correct answer? If your hand is not raised, you break your hand. Correct answer, how many of you? 3. Good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done. Wrong answer, how many of you? 1, 2. Error, how many of you? Why your hands are not raised? You are listening or not? Think and tell me what is happening. H104, E101, L108, 108 twice I got. Respective ASCII value I am getting. Why did I get this ASCII value? What is the solution? What is the problem? Listen. You are taking a character. Yes. Character plus integer you are adding. Whenever you are adding the character and integer, the answer will be integer only. No, ma'am. We are storing it inside a string. Yes, correct. But what you are storing? You are not storing the character. String only you are storing. Whatever you got, that is a string. You are getting an integer value. You are concatenating it with the string. I don't want to print the respective ASCII value. I want to print the character only. Here, what is happening in the sense implicit typecasting is happening. I don't want implicit. Implicit because integer directly converted into character. So that is sorry. Characters directly converted into integer. It is happening. I don't want like this. I want to mention. I am particularly converting into a character only. How to mention? Explicitly want to mention. This is what explicit typecasting. You are manually mentioning that I want to convert it into a character. See how each and everywhere how the concept plays an important role. Done. Fine. Now if I want to okay, see that's all. Answer is same. Same thing I would have explained here also. Yes. Shall we go to the next one? Last time I didn't teach this. Are you forget? You want to copy a paper? Copy. Water. Supercharger. Okay, go. Because fourth index we have a character. That character is not equal to space. So the first character which is not equal to space, I have considered as the starting index position, right? Now what should I do? Do I need to travel from 0th index to last index? I want to find which character is starting. I will travel inside this loop. I'll just mention from 0th index to last index I want to run. Starting index may be here also, starting index may be here also, here also, we know. It depends on the number of spaces which we have. So I will write one for loop over there. I will mention I is starting from 0th index. Each and every time I want to increment, between I will give the condition as it should be less than s dot 10. What is the thing I am checking? Whether the character is not equal to space or not I am checking. If it is not equal to space, that is my first character. That is the first starting index as well. Same condition I will mention. I want to check, I write it inside if condition, character is not equal to space. If it is not equal to space, what should I do?
This is the first index.
Directly shall I write starting index? Directly shall I write starting index? One thing you can do is create one variable. Inside that variable, you can store the index position. How will you get the index position? I is the person which will be giving me the index position. Yes, I equal to I you can store it. Yes, starting index. So you can create two variables. One is starting index, one variable. One more variable is ending index. Inside the starting index, you store the variable called as I. Once you have found the starting index, you have to stop. If you don't stop, what will happen? It will be keep on continuing. First time your starting index will be 4. Next time starting index 5. Next time 6. Next time it will keep on going. Finally 18 will become your starting index. That is why the moment you found the starting index, stop. How will you stop? Break. Or you can also return. Both are possible. Break also we can use. Break is there is no problem. I will take this I'll store it inside the starting index. After storing, I want to break, that's all. Then same like that. Shall we find ending index also? If I want to find the ending index, do I need to travel from 0th index or do I need to travel from the last index?
Last index.
Last index I want to travel. I'll travel inside the last index. Yes. Using this I can find the starting index. I want to travel from the last index. For that I will write one more for loop over here. I is starting from s dot length minus 1. Each and every time it is decrementing. I should be greater than or equal to 0 I will mention. Here I will write one if condition. Same condition I will write. Character of I should not be equal to space. Then starting index one variable you are using called as si. Ending index you are using one variable called as ei. Inside this ei I will store this I. I means index position you are storing. After storing I will break it. Then two for loop we have done. Now if I ask you to travel from the starting index till ending index, can you write one for loop for that? Yes, we will write one for loop. Yes, I will create one string called as string, using which I will fetch the characters and I will concatenate it with the string. I will just create one more for loop. I want to travel from starting index to ending index. I is starting from si. Starting index it is starting that is si again mention. Each and every time it is incrementing 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mention as I plus plus. Until there it is traveling ending index. Ending index here I will give. Mention less than or equal to ending index. Inside I want to fetch the character and I have to concatenate. That is why s dot character type. After concatenation again I am storing it inside the result key itself. Then finally I can come outside and I can print it. Same thing we are going to execute. Print spaces in the method I have created. Yes, what should I do now? Create one for loop. I am making use of two different variables, right? One is starting index. Initially let it be 0 because we don't know where it starts. Ending index also let it be 0. Now I want to travel inside this for loop. I will make use of one variable called as I should travel until less than s dot time. Each and every time it has to increment as well. Then now what I am supposed to do is I want to check with one condition s dot. Whether it is not equal to space or not, I am comparing. If it is not equal to space, I want to take this index position and I want to store it inside starting index. page may start. Start from last index question.
Minus.
What is the mistake? Yes, S is given. Okay. Not equal to space in the sense ending index I want to store. Now, this is the first for loop to find the starting index. This is the second for loop to find the ending index. If you know how to find the starting index and ending index, directly I can write the logic. I'll make use of same variable I. I starts from starting index. I should travel until it is less than or equal to ending index. Each and every time it has to increment. Now I want to create one more string called as t. Using that string only, I can able to travel inside the string. I can fetch the characters. I can concatenate with it. Mention t equal to t plus s dot character at. This you can store it inside one ch variable. Then if you concatene, there is no problem. I will print. Then return type static void function. Remove the spaces at the starting and ending. Ending also no space, starting also no space. If you want to copy, you can copy this. This is the logic. Friday I will be seeing 5 links should be there. 4 links should be there. Monday what you have done, Tuesday what you have done, Wednesday what you have done, Thursday what you have done. 4 things should be there. 4 recording I have to see. 4 days, which are the companies you have seen, which are the recordings you have done, everything should be in the sheet. Tomorrow also I will be checking. Tomorrow 2 recording has to be there. 2 drive links I will be checking. Do that and come. Now you may feel, ma'am, giving me this much work, I don't like to do that. I want to listen, that is enough for me. I don't want to sit and practice, I can't do that. No, you should do. Now you may feel difficult, but on the last day of this training, you will feel very useful. Because she compelled me to do. Because, sir, because she pressured me to do. That is why I have started. Now I can able to see improvement in myself. Now I can able to answer the question because of the pressure she gave me. That day you have to do. So, do that. See, you will not take much time. Within 1 hour you can able to do it. After that, spend time on your assignments. Solve your assignments. Need doubt in the sense, text me over there with the question and answer. Directly don't text me. First you try in all the possible ways. First you read the question carefully. Completely as per the question have you written the logic or not, check. Need doubt in the sense, then text me. I'll just reply you what is the problem. Assignment is mandatory. Do assignments, do the task which I have given. Don't forget to make a portion link. Yesterday I asked, like 4 or 5 people only have posted as. Most of them they haven't done. Why, how long it will take? You can spend 10 minutes only for that. Maximum 10 minutes. To open your system, to open into ChatGPT, to go into Gemini, creating for that 10 minutes and say. Completely you can do everything within 10 minutes itself. That also you can do. Do that. These works are second task. First, most important thing is, I have told you create your resume and come. Don't come with the resume which you have prepared from like first year something you would have prepared your resume, no? Don't come with that resume because that is not even your resume. Friend resume only name would have changed. Or your senior's resume name would have changed. Apart from that nothing you would have changed. I will share you one video. That is like our manager only have taken class on that I think. So watch the recording. Accordingly, prepare and come your resume. That is the first thing tomorrow will change. Remaining everything is secondary only. Do this first. That is the most important thing as well. Today itself create a resume. If you don't sit and create today, you will never ever create. When you will create, next day one company will be there. You want to attend the drive. That day you will sit and prepare. That day you will sit and create, but you will not prepare for the company. You will sit and prepare your resume only which is based. Because if you go for final round only, resume is next. Important. Otherwise for shortlisting, resume is must. So resume is the first process to enter for any job. To apply any job as well, resume is the first. Only then there will be shortlisting. I will share you the recording. First you do that. Then next you just do the task whatever I have given. Complete and come all the tasks. One thing is resume preparation, most important, utmost important task. Second thing is assignment should be done. Third thing is recording should be done. Along with that, LinkedIn post is there. 4 work I have given. Do and come all this 4 work. It will not take much time. You have lot of time. Spend your time. Work hard. Suffer now. Do and come all those tasks. Any doubt in the sense you can text me. I am always available. You can also text me in LinkedIn. I will be mostly available in LinkedIn only. Any doubts? Will you do all the works which I have given? Not do. You have to do. Compulsion it is. It's not expectation. Compulsion from you guys. Do and come the works. If you do, our class will be fine. I don't want to spend the time to question you, scold you, ask you, whatever. I don't want. Class should be good. We will learn remaining things tomorrow. What's the time? Be what way only. Now what's that packing? Sir, busy with packing, sir. You guys are waiting for the word okay, you can leave. Until that, we will keep on packing, closing. Everything should be ready. The moment I said that you can leave means you should not wait or you should not search anything. Directly have to run. This college only right. Any other college. I don't remember which college it is. One day I told you can leave. One second only I told. Suddenly everyone went out. I thought they will be packing something. Suddenly they went out. Oh, or they are waiting for that only. Okay, pack. My ear is listening to you only, ma'am. My hand is packing the words for others. Post why I am asking you to do right. Because each and every day on content you are learning. If you learn the content, you will be making some revision also for you guys. Do all the works which I give. Come, we will see tomorrow. If you don't do the work, the same patience tomorrow I will not maintain. Do the work and come. Once will you do? Because one gang of people sitting separately, you are the separate class, they are separate class. Yes, sir. You are? EC. You are? Yes. Sorry guys, often I used to tell about EC only. Data science I forget that because whenever I go for college, entirely one batch will be there. Data science.